If you've ever spent hours clicking Categorize inside QuickBooks Online bank feeds, here's a QuickBooks Desktop shortcut that QBO can't match. IIF is the only QuickBooks import format that carries category data. QBO bank feeds don't. So if you want pre-categorized transactions in your registers with one click, the path is DocuClipper to IIF to QBD. Start with the extracted bank statement. Every transaction is already pulled from the PDF. Click the Categorize tab. This is where you set up rules that auto-assign chart of accounts entries to incoming transactions. Add a rule. If the description contains Starbucks, send it to meals and entertainment. Add a few more for your recurring payees and run them. Most of your transactions get categorized in seconds. The long tail you assign by hand, much faster than QBO bank feeds. When you're done, click Download Data and pick IIF. Import the file in QuickBooks Desktop to File, Utilities, Import, IIF Files. Open your chart of accounts to confirm everything landed in the right buckets. Link in the description for a free trial. No credit card needed.